Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. I was out of the office again yesterday. Quite a busy time at the moment for this week for me. But it is Thursday, December 1st at the close of New York. If we just take a quick look at oil, we opened gap up. I don't know where my drawing tool is. Why is it not working? There it is. So we opened gap up from that close from yesterday, had straight movement up at the open, hit that HVA edge. Seller stepped in and drove this thing down, came back up and got driven down again. So we barely hit that range, never got to the close from yesterday. So we are technically finishing up positive for the day, even though the market for oil was selling for the majority of the day. As far as gold goes, we opened up gap up again, and they just kept driving the prices higher. It was a slow grind up. Nonetheless, it is higher, so we are finishing positive in gold as well. As far as our equities go, we didn't open too far away from the close from yesterday. We had that large news announcement that drove the market up yesterday. We opened just around that close, around here, went straight to it in the ES, and then we fiddled around, hit that edge that we had marked prior. We've had this edge for I don't know how long, almost 3 months, I would say this has been here. Good response around that. News came out, hit it, had some bleed through, came back down. Sellers took control of the day, had some good selling action, and then they could not make any further progress down and stalled out and pretty much plateaued for the remainder of the afternoon. You can see they just bounced between this HVA this low and this low here the rest of the day. No real expansion out. You can see how well those edges held for the most part. Almost the same story in the NASDAQ. Opening close to the close from yesterday. Let's scroll back to it. That close was around here. Had a move down, hit that HVA edge, bounced off of it, got back to the close, and then they just decided to take a little bit further up. Another level and good response at that HVA edge again. Again, these levels are drawn the night before the next day's trading activity. They're not drawn in the morning just before or during. These are fixated onto our charts, ready to go for our students in the evening, before the markets open, in the morning as well, and during the pit session. You can see that there's great response around it, and then you had more news today, and then much like the ES, they started driving it down, and then they started consolidating for the most part yet again. You can see the response of these edges as they held throughout the day. If you're interested in finding out more information about these levels or the methodology that we teach live in our rooms every day that the markets are open, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with one of our consultants at either location. They'll gladly show you into the rooms, and you'll be able to see be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.